Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. Happy Friday. I just got home from Walmart and wanted to share what I got. This week was a little bit of a lighter week, and the nice thing is I actually, when I did my meal plan, the first thing I look at is my meat, since we eat meat probably 5 to 6 nights of the week, and then one night we do like a no meat option. But if you saw my recent refrigerator and freezer tour video, you saw I have a lot of meat, so I still have a good amount. I've got anything from chicken thighs, chicken breasts, to pork chops and ground beef and sausage, and then I have just a wide variety of different things. So I did not have to buy any meat, which is really nice. So this was a lot of like snacky things or specific things that I needed. I also have a good amount of veggies right now, so that's my top veggie drawer, and then I have like cabbage and lettuce and stuff. So I really didn't need to buy a lot of produce or meat, which can be, you know, costly. So this haul was $75. I'll probably have to pick up a few filler things, you know, later in the week. But I thought it was really great to get everything that I need, you know, in addition to what I already have for $75. So I'm going to start over here today. I got some Teddy Grahams for Grady. He likes the chocolate chip flavor. Trying a couple different new to us pouches. So this one is the Go-Go Squeeze Blast Raspberry Rush. And this one is 100% fruit, no sugar, gluten, nut, and dairy free, and non-GMO. And this one is apple, raspberry, and cranberry. So I like to give him a pouch to take for snack to school. And then this one is the Slammers Protein Organic apple, banana, and kiwi watermelon burst pouches. So 2 new ones that we haven't tried. I actually got 2 packs of juice boxes for Grady's Halloween party, but this one actually dropped. This one dropped out of the bag, and then this one is leaking, if you can see. So I have to clean all these off and see if I can make sure all the rest of them aren't leaking. But anyways, I got Apple and Eve grape, and then again the fruit punch, which unfortunately I dropped. So I'll just salvage what I can, and then I have to send those into Grady's school next week in preparation for the Halloween party. My favorite snack of life, well, one of, I shouldn't say ever, but one of my favorite snacks combos. I get a bag of these like every month, and I literally hide them because I want them all to myself. I love them so much. They're just so good. Went with the potato bread this week. You guys know I like to switch up my breads, my wraps, things like that. So I don't know, was in the mood for potato bread. So I got this Pepperidge Farmhouse potato bread. This is a huge, like a big loaf, like the actual pieces of bread are really big. So I'm looking forward to enjoying that over the weekend and, you know, into next week. I got some sharp cheddar cheese. We go through a lot of this cheddar cheese. Excuse me, I really should start grating my own, but it's just so convenient to grab and add to different recipes. So I grabbed that. I got the Walmart brand Great Value of the white cranberry strawberry, which is a dupe for this one, which I buy all the time, the Ocean Spray. It's about $1.30 cheaper. So I've had this before. It's pretty good. Gonna try it out again. And then I also got the Great Value coffee creamer in the pumpkin pie flavor for Matt as well. And the Great Value brand, you guys know, is much cheaper than like a name brand, and a lot of it's really good. I also got some Great Value potato wedges. My son has specifically been asking me for potato wedges, so I thought, why not? We can all enjoy them, and hopefully he'll eat them. I got some green beans. Probably can get 2 dinners out of this for just Matt and I, 2 sides. I got this Taylor Farms. I really love this Taylor Farms brand. This is the Stir Fry Coconut Curry Kit. So it's Brussels sprouts and kale and snap peas and carrot. And then I guess it comes with the sauce. So I thought it would be nice for a quick, easy side dish to try out. I really love that brand, so I really like to try new things from them. Some pepper jack cheese for sandwiches for my husband next week. Some Baby Bella mushrooms, which are some of my favorite mushrooms to buy. Some Salins ham for both omelets, sandwiches, anything, guys. My husband's sandwiches next week if it makes it that far. Got some jalapeno chips for football this weekend. Some Cape Cod barbecue chips for football this weekend. Our normal bag of scoops. We go through about a bag of these every week, even when it's not football season. I got some walnuts, Supreme Walnut Deluxe or Delight brownies to make for football this weekend. Some Stonyfield strawberry banana smoothies for Grady. He likes to have these in the morning before we leave for school. Some Hunt's tomato sauce. I just need that for a recipe. Some water chestnuts I need for a recipe. Let's talk about this. This is the Everything for Bagels and More seasoning. It's pretty much a knockoff of the Trader Joe's Everything But the Bagel seasoning. Let me go ahead and grab that really quick and show you, because I know some people don't know what that is. So it's a knockoff for the Trader Joe's one. I believe they're the same price, guys, but I love this stuff. I obviously have plenty, but I actually got this from my mom, because as you can see, I have like, I don't know, 80% in here still. But I'm not going to be going to Trader Joe's in the next couple, probably not for a couple weeks, so I wanted to go ahead and get this for my mom, because I'm always talking about this, and she's just so curious, and she likes, I think she'd really like this on her like avocado toast or her eggs. It was $1.98, so if you don't have a Trader Joe's near you and you keep hearing about this, Walmart does have it in the spice aisle, so I grabbed that. This is a new flavor I've never seen before. I don't buy these a lot anymore. I used to buy them a lot. If you've been watching my grocery hauls for a while, I used to buy these Northsides a bit more than I do now, but I still like to check out and see what they have, and this one I've never seen before. It's the white cheddar queso. It says rice and pasta blend in a white cheddar flavored sauce with a touch of jalapeno. I really like to make like tacos and fajitas and Mexican food, so I thought this would be something just to have on hand for the next time I make like a, you know, enchiladas or something, just to try it out. I got the Pringles. I like these individual packs for portion control, and they're perfect size for my son, so I got those. And then I'm trying out two. We've gotten the Dr. Thunder before. This is a Dr. Pepper knockoff, and my husband really likes it. I only drink diet soda, so this is for my husband. It's like 50% cheaper than the name brand, and my husband said it's just as good. And this was recommended to me by a friend of mine who I really like Diet Coke, caffeine free. So this is the Diet Right Cola. So it's no calories, no caffeine, no sodium. So a friend of mine recommended this because she said it's half the price, and sure enough it was. It was like $2 something, and then Diet Coke caffeine free is like $5 something. So I'm just gonna try it out. I usually have like one soda a day as like a little treat. But anyways, this is what I purchased this week, and I'm gonna share with you now my meal plan for the upcoming week. Alright guys, so my meal plan for the upcoming week. One night I'm gonna do some spaghetti and meatballs. I do have a cooking video on my marinara that I make at home, so I'll be making that, and I'll probably do a double batch because I like to freeze a couple of them. I think I only have one left in my freezer, so I'm due for another round. So I'll do spaghetti, noodles with the marinara sauce, and then I'll just throw some meatballs in. I'll do a salad and bread on the side. One night I'm going to do some BLTs because I want to use that potato bread. I think it'll be really good with bacon and lettuce. I'll make some of those Walmart brand potato wedges and some salad. I'm going to do baked chicken. I have chicken wings, chicken thighs, and chicken legs all to use up, so I'll pick one of those three, season them really good and bake them. I'll roast some veggies with it, and then I'll make some kind of potato or rice on the side. I'm going to do shepherd's pie one night. I have a cooking video on the shepherd's pie, so I'll link that below. And then a simple salad with some kind of roll on the side will be great with that. For my no meat night, I want to do a spaghetti squash. I actually have to pick one of those up. I completely forgot today at Walmart. So I'm going to look on Pinterest because there's a lot of spaghetti squash recipes on there. So I'll pick one with no meat, and I'll do some kind of veggie or a salad, probably one or the other with that, and maybe even some bread. I'm going to do a whole chicken in the crock pot. I have a whole video on how to do that. I'll link it below. And then I'll do baked potatoes, and then I'll do some broccoli casserole. I have a video on this as well. And then of course I have my freebie night with leftovers or breakfast. So that's the meal plan for the upcoming week. Tomorrow on Saturday, I have a new cooking video going up for my creamy pork in the crock pot. I just barely got that edited and have it ready to go, so you'll be seeing that on Saturday. no video on Sunday, and then Monday we'll start a new round of new videos. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you tomorrow in my next one. Bye guys.